Hello, today I am with VIVO Y01 and I'm going to show you how you can correctly apply tempered glass on this smartphone. So the first, I can recommend you to put on this silicone case. You can find it in your box. Do not scratch your back. Okay, you will also need good lighting condition to see all mess that you have on the screen. So definitely make it like in my way and in my case to see all the mess. The window cleaner will be also useful, and for sure we have to get the tempered glass. So let's start. Let's open the box. There's the glass, and inside we can also find it's stuck right here, but I got it. The two wipes. The first one, it's wet, and we are going to use this one. But sometimes they comes dry, and that's what it is. Yeah, it's dry actually, not wet. So that's why you need your window cleaner. So apply it a little bit on the wipe and then move to clean your screen. I'm gonna zoom in right now to show you how it looks. Okay, so just start, clean all edges, corners. You can make it like that, and circle, the same moves. Okay, right now you have to grab the dry wipe and remove wet marks. Okay, and as you can see, everything is fine right now. So you have to just take a look on your screen one more time to be sure that there's no any dust on the screen. So I can recommend you to swipe to the one direction, for example like that, to get rid of that. The next step, we have to grab our tempered glass and we have to remove this sticker. So grab it like that and easily remove. Next, you have to grab those glass like that on the corners and start applying from the upper section of the display, like that. You have to put it correctly for both edges. Next, you have to click and hold right here with your finger, and you have to put the bottom part. Okay, right now we can swipe with your finger through the screen and it goes almost automatically. So the last step, grab this wipe and clean mess from your tempered glass. And right now you can also press a little bit to remove these glue marks that you can find under the tempered glass, just like that. Okay, and right now we can turn on the screen. And as you can see, everything is fine. No problem with the display sensitivity. So we can simply apply this protection on your phone. And yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.